Hi there, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk how you can sell your custom templates online created on Wix Studio. In order to do so, you're going to need to download your customized template into a shareable file that you can sell on your own site or on other platforms of your choice. Once a customer buys it, they'll be able to download it as a zip file, which contains a file with a link for them to add your template to their Wix account. It also comes with instructions on how you can use it, taken care of by Wix. Let's get started. On your workspace, go to Custom Templates on the left. Here, you should see all of your custom templates. So go to the three-dot button next to the custom template you want to sell and click Download Shareable File. Oh, by the way, you've got to publish your template first before you can download it. So if you haven't done that, go to the editor and publish it first. All right, once that's taken care of, you can now download your shareable file. So click Download File over here, and then go to the folder where you would like to save your custom template and click Save. Now your file will be downloaded, and you can then upload it on your own site or on other platforms you plan on selling it. And that's it. That's how you can sell your custom templates created on your Wix workspace. Hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.